If you've been boiling eggs with plain water all these years, you've been missing one simple step that makes all the difference. Once you try it, the shells will slip right off and your eggs will turn out soft, smooth, and perfectly tender every time. Hi, friends. It's Nancy here. I used to think boiling eggs was foolproof, just add water, right? But so many times, the shells cracked or the eggs turned rubbery and dry. Then one day, I learned a little trick from an old friend, and I've never looked back since. It's simple, it's natural, and it makes every breakfast feel just a bit more special. So, stay with me. I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step. Before we start cooking, let's take a moment to prepare the eggs properly. The ones I'm using today are fresh from my family's little farm gathered early this morning. They haven't been washed or treated yet, so it's important to clean them well before cooking. I like to fill a bowl with clean water, add a spoonful of salt and a pinch of baking soda, and then gently stir until the ingredients dissolve. This simple mixture helps remove any dirt or bacteria that might still be on the shells, especially if your eggs come straight from a farm like mine. Let them soak for about 5 minutes. Then use a soft paper towel to wipe each one carefully. If you're using store-bought eggs, they've already been washed and sanitized, so you can safely skip this step. But I always find that taking a little time to clean and handle each egg gently makes a difference. The shells stay intact and the eggs look beautiful when cooked. Now that our eggs are nice and clean, it's time to start cooking. And here's where a lot of people make small mistakes without even realizing it. When you're placing the eggs in the pot, remember to do it gently. I always hold each one with care, lowering it slowly into the pot instead of dropping it in. Even a tiny bump or crack in the shell can cause the egg white to leak out during cooking, leaving you with a messy pot and unevenly cooked eggs. Next comes the most important part, the water. Many people start with boiling or very hot water because they think it saves time, but that actually does more harm than good. The sudden temperature change between the cold egg and the hot water makes the shell expand too quickly, which often causes cracks. It can also make the eggs tough and rubbery on the outside, while the inside stays unevenly cooked. The right way is much simpler. Start with cold water. Place the pot on the stove, add enough water to cover the eggs completely, and let it warm up gradually. As the water heats, the eggs warm slowly too, adjusting to the rising temperature. This gentle process prevents cracking and gives you beautifully smooth, tender eggs. You'll notice something else too. When you boil eggs starting from cold water, they taste softer and more delicate. The texture of the egg white stays tender, and the yolk becomes creamy instead of chalky. It's a small change that makes a big difference. Once the water begins to simmer, not boil too hard, that's your sign to move to the next step. We're going to add a little magic to the pot, a spoonful of salt, and just a few drops of white vinegar. The salt helps the egg white set faster and gives the eggs a subtle depth of flavor. The vinegar reacts with the calcium in the shell, making it slightly softer and easier to peel later on. That's it. No fancy ingredients, just a little patience and attention. Let the water heat naturally, and your eggs will thank you for it with perfect texture, flavor, and shells that stay beautifully intact. Now that the water is gently boiling, let's talk about timing, because this is the part that makes all the difference between a perfect egg and a disappointing one. If you cook the eggs for only 1 to 2 minutes after the water starts boiling, the yolks will still be runny and soft in the center. These are better for recipes that call for soft-boiled eggs, but not for everyday eating. If you want that perfect balanced tender whites and a creamy golden yolk, let the eggs cook for about 3 to 5 minutes after the water starts to boil. This is the sweet spot. The yolks will be firm enough to hold their shape, but still smooth and moist when you cut them open. The whites will stay silky, not rubbery, and the eggs will taste rich without being dry. But if you leave them boiling for more than 5 or 6 minutes, the eggs will start to lose their tenderness. The yolks will turn pale and crumbly, and the whites will feel chewy instead of soft. That's when they start to taste overcooked. When the eggs are done cooking, don't rush to peel them right away. This next step, cooling them properly, is the secret to getting those perfect, easy-to-peel eggs every single time. As soon as you turn off the heat, use a spatula to lift the eggs out of the hot water and place them into a bowl of cold water or ice water. Let the eggs sit in the cold water for about 2 to 3 minutes. This short cooling time does 2 things. It stops the cooking process so the eggs don't become dry, and it keeps the whites soft and tender. When you touch them, they should feel cool enough to handle, but still slightly warm inside. Now comes the fun part, peeling. Tap the egg gently on the counter to crack the shell, then roll it lightly under your palm. You'll see the shell start to loosen and slide off almost effortlessly. No sticking, no tearing, just a smooth, shiny egg every time. Once all your eggs are peeled, they're ready to serve, perfect for breakfast salads or even a quick, healthy snack later in the day. Tell me in the comments, do you have your own way of boiling eggs? I'd love to hear your little kitchen secrets. Take a knife and cut one open slowly. Look at that, the yolk is soft and golden, not dry or chalky. The whites are firm, but still tender with that gentle bounce when you touch them. They smell rich and fresh, just like eggs should. Boiling eggs might seem simple, but when you get every step right from washing to cooling, the result feels special. These eggs aren't just prettier, they taste better too. They have that perfect balance of flavor and texture, soft enough to melt in your mouth, but firm enough to enjoy with a little salt or pepper. So, let's quickly go over the key steps. First, wash your eggs with a little salt and baking soda to make sure they're clean. Second, always start boiling with cold water, not hot. Third, when the water begins to boil, add a spoonful of salt and a few drops of vinegar. That's the real secret. Boil for 3 to 5 minutes. Then cool the eggs in cold water before peeling. Follow these simple steps and you'll get perfect, soft, easy-to-peel eggs every single time. Perfect eggs aren't just about timing or technique. They're a reminder that even small things can bring comfort and joy to our day. So, the next time you make breakfast, slow down a little, take a breath, and enjoy the simple beauty of cooking something with care. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep finding little ways to make your home and your mornings a bit brighter every day.